Hello guys, let me show you how to easily connect your Garmin Enduro to watch to Wi-Fi with the help of Garmin Connect app on your Android phone. So let's get started. Firstly, we are gonna open this app which looks like this. So launch it and go in this More tab. And right here scroll till you will see this tab named Garmin Devices. Click it, wait a couple of seconds and then select your device on the top of the screen. And now scroll till you see this section Connectivity, click it, go in Wi-Fi, and now wait a couple of seconds and click Add a network. Let's just wait again, and right here we will see a list of available networks, so just choose which one suits you and then enter the password. And when you entered your passcode, click Done button, then click on the Connect, and wait a couple of seconds till it will connect to your network. And now this network is saved in the list of your Wi-Fi networks, and let's check it on the watch. So let's go in the main menu by clicking this button and then scroll till you see settings, and right here you would need to go in the Connections tab. Click it, then choose Wi-Fi, and in My Networks, you will see the status connected to the network we just connected, and you can remove it, update password, and add a new network. So that's all for now. I hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.